I was excited to come back to the show this year. We had such a great time last year, and we just learned so much from all of the presenters and made some really great contacts from the vendors and sponsors of the show. So for us, it was kind of a no-brainer to come back.
I wanted to learn from the American market, and the study tour gave me a great opportunity to do that. Some of the speakers have given me a really good opportunity to do that, and then a couple of them give me a fantastic opportunity to do that.
We always want to be creating new ideas. You see a lot of garden centers that are very dated. The garden center that I work for has been around since 1929. So when I looked at the lineup for this, I saw words like AI, I saw words like tech, I saw words that are going to keep us current, and that's really what we need to bring us into the next phase of what we want a garden center to be.
I'm new in management this last 2 years, so it's been very helpful in helping me explore new ways of not just working with employees, however, how to incorporate all different aspects of the garden center into our daily operation. I've been learning so much during these last just 2 days, and I'm very excited to go home and practice these new principles.
I attended for the first time last year, and the information that I got was phenomenal. The connections that I made really helped me with my business and growing everything that we do.
Actually, to come and spend some time immersed with hundreds of other people in the industry has been fantastic. There's much learning over a cup of coffee and some breakfast, as there's been in some of the seminars.
It's absolutely worth it. You will challenge yourself and you will grow, and you will absolutely walk away with a handful of things that you can implement immediately, and a whole other group of things that will be long-term investments into how you make changes to grow your profit, your revenue, and everything else that you're doing.